In previous tip we showed formatting table manually via commands, basic formatting commands in Excel, but there exists automatically way. For example, we have table which is formatted. I selected this table and I can use Format Painter, which is in Home tab. So I'm going click here, and you can see the mouse cursor is changed to plus with Painter, and then I click to relevant cell, and now you can see the target table was changed. This is very simple way how to do it, because we have also same rows and columns in target table. Sometimes we need to apply Format Painter to larger table or smaller table. So I'm going to source table, I change or use Format Painter, and then I click to cell and drag to relevant size or relevant table, and you can see the target table is changed. Also you can see the empty cells were changed to relevant format, which is repeating. I'm going to back, and I would like to show you another case, because sometimes we need change to only one cell. For example, this title, I click here, and then I'm going to Format Painter, and then I click to cell here, or I can click here and drag to relevant cells or relevant area. So now you can see the title was changed. There is another trick, because you can click to Format Painter double, and the difference is in this case. For example, I select source table, going to Format Painter, but double click, and then you can see the same mouse cursor with Format Painter, and I click to cell, and you can see the empty cells were changed, but cursor stayed in same position. So I'm going to click to another place after I press escape. So when I press escape, the command turn off. So this is a tip by me, and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.